Joel Young, Creative Spreadsheets here. I'm going to briefly describe the two-stage PCV positive crankcase ventilation system for this intercooled supercharged A-series MG midget. Ordinarily, your PCV system will draw excess pressure and crankcase vapors from the timing cover oil separator and run up a hose directly into the OEM PCV valve. It may come off of this boss in the valve cover right here on some later models. You can even set it up for both. Same principle. Ordinarily, the pressures and any fumes are going to be drawn directly into the crankcase, from the crankcase through the PCV valve and into the manifold under metered pressure, and of course this cap only allows a certain amount of flow into the crankcase as well. In our case, that will not work under the boost because this valve will snap shut. You'll build pressure in the crankcase and you could force oil out of your scroll seal in the back and elsewhere. So what we've done here is very simple. Simply rotate the PCV valve 180 degrees roughly. Continue the hose alongside the valve cover, underneath the heater hose and vacuum lines to a brass T, and then connect it to the PCV valve. So under idle, steady state cruising and trailing throttle conditions, the system operates as it always has. However, when the engine goes on boost, the PCV valve snaps closed because the manifold is under pressure. Now the crankcase fumes and excess pressure are drawn through this PCV valve. This is in the parts list. It is actually from, of all things, an AMC Pacer running a 5-liter V8 engine. The metering turns out to be almost exactly the same as the stock midget valve, the A-series PCV valve. And now the fumes are drawn via Venturi vacuum from this fitting that is in the throat of the air cleaner, which is underneath the fender for our Stealth Cool Air